Hi, Dean here with another video on how to change, add, and delete your In the Press posts. To do that, we'll come over to Posts. Now I set this up, it's really just a blog with a different module on the front end. And so this will be all of your posts you'll see on the back end and what they correlate to. So In the Press is going to show up on the In the Press page on the front end, and the newsletter category is just going to go to the newsletter page. So from here you can delete any of the posts just by hitting the trash button. If you want to change the publish date, you can come over here to Quick Edit and change the date right here, and then hit Update. To add a post, you'll come up here to Add Post or Add New. You'll give the post a description or a title. And then you can write the article or paste the article into here. In the Press. Come over to here to Document. You can change the author if you'd like. You'll definitely want to choose the category. So if this is going to be a post for In the Press, you'll want to choose the In the Press category. If you're writing a newsletter, you'll check the newsletter category. From here, you can add a featured image. You can upload a new image here or choose an existing image. And once you're done, you can either publish it right now and it'll become live, or you can change the visibility to private and push OK, and it will update, and now you can look at it only if you're logged in as an admin. So we'll go over here and we'll view post in a new tab. This is the post. We'll go over to In the Press. And here it is here on the top. And it's as simple as that. One more thing I forgot to add into there is how to change the post from private to public. So to do that, we'll just go over to Posts. We'll go over to the post we created as private, and we'll quick edit. And we will take private off right here. The status will be published. Update. And now it's visible to all users.